Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check Everand original files on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and here you can find ebooks, audiobooks, podcasts and others. Now, if you want to check the Everand original files, click to the upper bar, go to the last button, the Everand originals, and here you can find original audiobooks, ebooks and different topics. You can find different genres and different books and authors, and if you want to check that, click that and you can check the details and you can read that. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.